Rob here, welcome to my video on unboxing my brand new Avante 2011 four-wheel drive off-road car. I've got my good mate Mark on the camera for me.
Oh yeah.
So we'll get right to it and unbox it, shall we? Right, so this is rather an expensive kit. So as you can see, it's packaged quite differently to most Tamiya kits, and the manuals here, I believe it's a lot thicker than most, and loads of stuff. Oh, where does it go to? Is that it? Is that it? Oh yeah. Ooh, up to step 49. So lots and lots of stuff to screw together, and lots of alley play bits and pieces. And it also includes this strange little addendum going into the centre bull diff for some reason, which I'm sure I'll find out soon. So let's go with the middle bit, eh? First we've got the top part of the body, which we've got to cut out and then spray. Shift that out of the way and move this over so we've got a bit of room to put stuff. Right, and then unusual for Tamiya is you get an under tray as well, which I believe you have to take off to swap the batteries, but we'll come to that when I get to it. So that's the under tray. Then we've got some gears. I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure we'll find out. I think these might just be jigs for building the differentials. Different. We'll come to them in a bit. Some more gears. I think that must be the spur gear, maybe. Yep. And these are the differential gears, yeah, cases. So yes, I think it's 4 differential gears. We'll get with that. The obligatory shocks stuff, spacers and things, which I'm not really sure why we would need them, as you'll see in a second. Maybe just for the ball joints. And it also comes with the standard TBLE02S speed controller, brushed or brushless. And I believe maybe, oh yeah, no, I think it's just one set of decals. So doesn't look as bad as some other ones. No and comment. Now for the fun stuff, as far as I'm concerned. Lots of lovely aluminium bits, ball bearings, these interlocked drive shafts and things, and it looks like you even get lockable 12mm wheel adapters. Yeah. And those are the Planetary gears.
Metal gears, cool. Yeah. Ball diff, you got the balls, yeah. For the ball diff and things. And as per usual, unfortunately, it's sellotaped, the box. Both sides. So, in the blue box, I wonder what's in there. Have, I don't know, but it's called
we have lots of what look like fibre reinforced plastic bits. Absolutely no idea. The obligatory black antenna. More bits. Again, not sure what if any. I think that's used, but not sure about most of the other ones there.
I think there's the adjustable for the rear wing.
It is, adjuster for the rear wing.
Oh, I noticed, Rob.
Yeah.
There's no chassis.
No, not yet. That's to come, mate. Piece de resistance of this kit. Driver figure.
Oh, proper driver figure this time.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, you say proper driver figure. For me, I'd have preferred it without a visor.
Okay, yeah.
I like to paint my driver faces. But hey, it is what it is. More bits, front bumper, possibly something to do with the rear. Again, find out as and when I start to build it. More stuff with bits of metal attached to them.
Unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, must be front and rear.
Something.
Yeah, looks like your C-cups.
It does look like a C-hub, yeah.
A C-hub. But we'll find out again. And more plastic bits. Look like fibre reinforced again. That'll be... just broke that one off, but hey. Looks like gearbox housings and stuff. And
servo saver.
Servo saver, thank you, Mark. My words failed me then. And these are, I think from the original kit, these are the wheel locks.
Oh right, yeah. Instead of wheel nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to build them as well, which was a surprise. And now we've got the top of the purple box. And as you can see from the re-release, they've changed to a carbon fibre chassis. And lots of metal ball joints.
Wow, yeah.
Massive bearings for an RC kit. And left and right steering arms, metal.
Steering arms are metal then?
Yeah.
So those weren't the C-hubs that we were looking at?
No.
Oh.
They were the C-hubs, but I think it goes on to them somehow.
Alright.
And then...
look at them shock bodies.
We've got, look like brass to me, don't they?
Yeah.
Front and rear shocks.
Lovely.
And lots of posts and bits and bobs in that one. These are weird though. These are the steering bridge. And cross member and a steering arm. So, what have we got in the box? I'm kind of expecting 2 sets of wheels in this, Mark.
Oh, I hope so.
Because it comes with those retro ones and a set of ordinary ones, I've been led to believe.
Ooh.
Or maybe not.
Maybe not.
No. How strange. But it does come with foam inserts for your tyres. And what do these say? Super gripper.
They look like they'll be good off-roading, well, for a short time till those spikes wear out anyway.
That's right, yeah. And it looks like maybe perhaps a tiny bit thinner on the front. It's hard to tell,
it's hard to tell. Have a look at the wheels, if they're different widths.
And these are the wheels. No, they look the same size.
The same, aren't they?
Yeah. But that is strange because I had read and seen that they come with a set of modern wheels.
Wrong then.
But yes, how wrong can you be? So, I've got a metal parts bag, that's the prop shaft. And again, carbon fibre, either front or rear shock mount. Aluminium plate for the motor with the adjuster there, and torsion bars, anti-roll bars.
Yeah, front and rear, isn't it?
Front and rear, yep.
Cool.
And a few parts bags. Starting with A. And just loads of screws, more screws.
There's a shaft in there.
And there's a shaft in there, ready for some E-clips.
Oh, look how thin those cap screws are.
Yeah. I think that is. I wonder what that is. That'll be interesting to find out. And more parts bags. Again, just loads of screws. These aluminium things are to do with the suspension, I believe.
Cool.
Another bag of stuff. No idea yet. It's just lots of stuff. Parts bag F. More screws and another just haphazard bag of bits. I do love Tamiya with these bags with nothing on, you know. And again, even more screws, and from bag B, we won't bother going into those, and some more bag with no label on it.
That'll be fun.
Oh god, yeah. And finally, we missed parts bag B.
And D.
Sorry, D, yes.
That's the grub screws. Big grub screws.
Yes. So I think some of them are for the wishbones,
right,
as we used to call them. And then, last but not least, a bag with all the silvery bits and grease and things. Let's just tip it open to here. And on top of, we won't bother with them, we've got double-sided tape and some hard foam tape. And in this bag we've got the blue medium shock oil, some anti-wear grease,
ceramic grease, and
Diff grease,
yeah,
and then that'll be ceramic, won't it?
Yeah.
Yep, and ceramic grease and some cable ties. Cool. And some more ball joints, lots and lots of ball joints. I'm not sure if we'll need many of them with all those metal ones we've got, but hey. And then on top of the spanner that you might have seen at the top of box B, blue box even,
yep,
you get these other two spanners, and I'm not sure what they're used for at the minute, but I did see somebody using them on a video myself. So you've got 7 and 8 mil, and then this is specific for something, but I can't remember what off the top of my head now, but I'm sure I'll find out shortly. And then where were them other two things? This is an interesting thing. This is like a shock absorber, I believe. Oh, there's the other one, it fell out. And oh, again, I can't remember exactly where it goes now. I'm sure I'll soon find out. But it's to help with the front and rear lower wishbones, if you like, acting as shock absorbers on them. And then, quite a posh spanner.
The obligatory box wrench, but shinier.
But shinier, yeah. And then, oh my
super
goodness.
thin 0.2mm shims.
Yeah, quite a lot of them.
Well, there's quite a few of them in the XV, mate.
Yes, and then.
You need to lick your finger.
Oh, that's right, yes. Oh, I've got 2 bugs. Oh my god. Jeez.
Shim City.
And suspension shocks stuff. And then your obligatory R clips. So, I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all the pieces, yeah.
So,
you can have fun with this one, mate, I think.
I certainly am. I'm not sure if, no, you can't really tell in the plastic, but there's 2 parts to the chassis. There's an upper and lower, you can just about tell, you can get in there.
Upper and lower deck, yeah?
Yeah, there's an upper and lower deck on the chassis.
Well, look forward to the build video of this one, mate.
Yep. One thing we didn't mention.
Oh, let's get in on that, I know. What are you going to say?
Is it comes with an Avante special 2011 brushed motor.
Yeah. Can you adjust the timing on that, do you think, Rob?
I'm not sure.
Looks like you might be able to.
Possibly.
It's got external brushings and that.
Yeah. So make it easier to change the brushes if you need to. But yes, apparently it's 25 turn. Or is it 23?
It's 25, I think.
Yes, I think it says it's 25. It does say on the box somewhere.
I think it's a little bit more special than your sport tune though, mate.
It is. Yes, it says in this note here that it's 25 turn. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me again on the build series that I'm going to do. Cheers, bye.
Bye.